And I think for me, if I knew then what I know now, I think it's just that reinforcement that every time we come and try another episode, and if I think about collaborative response, every time we have another collaborative team meeting, every time we refine our continuum of supports, and again, I'm utilizing language, definitely check out the overview of collaborative response article if not familiar with what I'm sharing. It's that idea of every time we come, how can we make it just a little bit better than what it was before? Just one tiny little enhancement. And I reflect on this podcast specifically from first episode to now, looks and sounds very, very different. The focus, even some of the technical elements at a different place. But I think it's that understanding, and this goes to leaders within organizations as well, having that mindset of how can we get just a little bit better with each iteration. And I think that's what I would remind myself is move forward with that idea, because it doesn't have to be perfect when you start, but if every time you do that proverbial 1% better than the last time, over time that has a huge cascading and cumulative effect for what it is that you're doing.
This question is brought to you by WeCollab. Designed by educators for educators, this comprehensive digital system aligns with the foundational components of collaborative response. Moving from conversation to action, WeCollab empowers classrooms, schools, and systems to provide the very best response for each and every child by informing action-based decision-making with data and evidence supporting student success.